Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the new edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some latest WWE news and update including Asuka and Lana TLC 2020 plans, while huge updates on Royal Rumble 2021 and other more important and latest WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any important WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5 is Asuka and Lana TLC 2020 plans. As per the WWE rumors and spoilers, WWE's current plan to have Asuka and Lana set to challenge for WWE Women's Tag Team titles at TLC 2020 pay-per-view. Right now, Asuka and Lana got 2 wins over Women's Tag Team champions, so they are right to challenge championship match for at TLC pay-per-view. So WWE TLC show is a good place where champions defend their titles against newly formed tag team of Asuka and Lana. In the last couple of weeks, things are changed for Lana on Raw episodes. After seeing Lana as the sole Survivor Series winner, we can expect that WWE could give Lana to a push in the coming time. So maybe this is the time when WWE put the title on Lana's shoulder. Maybe at TLC pay-per-view, WWE could book the Women's Tag Team Championship match as a tables match because we saw how things going on between Nia Jax and Lana. So if WWE going the same way, then we can expect an official announcement in coming time for this match. Number 4 is big update on Royal Rumble 2021. WWE tries to do every possible things to bring back the live crowd for this show soon because big things coming up for WWE. First Royal Rumble 2021 pay-per-view and then WrestleMania 37 season started. Now WWE latest news and updates stated that WWE wants to get correct information about the real crowd attend the show by 7th January. WWE could make plans according to the fans' availability. WWE also put a deadline of the first week of January for the Royal Rumble 2021 plans. Here is the update. Internally, WWE said to want a decision on whether fans are permitted for the Royal Rumble by January 7th. A possible announcement is of sort coming this weekend. Source stated the orders their 50-50 chances are right now. The important months are ahead. WWE's latest update news also suggested that chances are 50-50 that WWE bring back live audience for the Royal Rumble 2021. So January month is a very crucial for all of this. Royal Rumble is a WWE's first pay-per-view of the year, which is held in the second half of the January month. After these big updates for the live crowd, we can assume that Royal Rumble might be take place on 31st January at Tropicana Field, Florida. Big WWE pay-per-views like Royal Rumble and WrestleMania, they need to live audience who give different feeling in the matches and especially in the Royal Rumble match. So WWE try to their best to bring back live fans for the crowd for the Royal Rumble show. Number 3 is some details revealed of WWE's tribute to the Troops show. WWE officially announced that at 6 December 2020, WWE held a tribute to the Troops show just like they do every year. Now WWE news and rumors give some details about the show. Firstly announced that servicemen and women and their families will be present at the WWE Thunderdome at Amway Center for the show. So fans have started to speculate that they are present live for the event. But now WWE News clarify things and they told that they all will be there virtually on the big LED screen. Here is what WWE News said. Tribute to the troop, which will be aired Sunday for 1 hour either before or after NFL on Fox depending on time zone, is being taped for Friday at the Amway Center. No troops will be there live, but the Thunderdome screens will be featured the troops. This year WWE tribute to the Troops show will be go on air on Fox either before or after NFL games. This show will be a performance from country singer Hardy on 6th of December. Hardy also spoke on this and said that he was honored to be performed on the show. Here are Hardy's words. I am so excited to play the tribute to the troops. As a big supporter of our United States military, I am honored to be able to perform for them. Can't wait to rock on the house and God bless America. WWE also said that there is some more celebrity guest will be announced soon. This show is one of the last few WWE show at Amway Center Arena, as WWE moving from Amway Center to Tropicana Field in December. Number 2 is AJ Styles sent a message to Drew McIntyre. On social media, AJ Styles sent a message to WWE champion Drew McIntyre after Raw episode. AJ Styles said his message that he likes to give WWE championship to The Miz and that's why he interfered in the main event of the Raw episode. He also said that Drew McIntyre was lucky that he leaves the arena as a WWE champion. In the main event of this week's Raw episode, WWE scheduled a match of Drew McIntyre and Sheamus versus The Miz and Morrison. In that match, Drew McIntyre and Sheamus successfully defeated The Miz and John Morrison via disqualification because AJ Styles interfered in the match and attacked Drew McIntyre. After the match, AJ prompted The Miz to cash in the Money in the Bank contract. However, Drew McIntyre took off both The Miz and John Morrison and Money in the Bank contract will not cash in. Earlier in the show, we saw that AJ Styles won the sudden death triple threat #1 contender match for WWE Championship. Now Drew McIntyre vs AJ Styles match set for WWE Championship at TLC pay-per-view. Looks like AJ Styles is a legit threat for Drew McIntyre in his title defense. So there is no doubt that this match could be one of the best match of TLC 2020 pay-per-view. Number 1 is backstage hit over Randy Orton segment on this week's WWE Raw episode. This week's Raw episode started with the Moment of Bliss segment where Randy Orton was a special guest. This segment also featured The Fiend alongside Randy Orton and Alexa Bliss. WWE spoilers revealed that the opening segment of Raw this week was entirely Vince McMahon's vision. Few backstage personnel argue against this Raw segment. They feel that it is a weak segment and need to work on before it was aired. But it's Vince McMahon's call, so no one can deny it to that. WWE Update also stated that few superstars were going over their prescribed time slot at the Survivor Series as well as following WWE's show. This extended time limit led toward the hit on the producer backstage. This is all from our edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. Hope you will enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notifications. So see you guys in our next video.